Hello and welcome to ADVANCEDRX video tutorial. In this video we'll be looking at account management, and in account management we'll be specifically looking at charge account reports today, as the other tabs in account management has been covered in a previous video. So we'll today only be looking at charge account reports, and in charge account reports we'll be looking at charge account billing history, charge account payment report, missing charge account payment report, charge account patient listing, charge account payment history, VFI history, charge account payment history report, charge account payment overdue balance. So let's get started. So once again, as you can see, the charge account management is located here. So we'll be going at charge account reports and we'll be looking at all these tabs today. So let's start with charge account billing history. So in charge account billing history, you can check the billing history of a particular patient. I'll just go and select a patient. So for example, if I select this patient, generate a report, it's going to change the date so that you have a proper understanding of how the report shows. Go and select much older date. Let's select 2009 and generate a report. So this is the report. This is how it shows. It shows the account number, invoice number, contact name, address, phone number, payment due, bill date, due date, type. You can also change the type, whether it's print, whether it's email, whether it's a VFI. You can filter it out accordingly, statement period, and the user. So this is how it shows charge account billing history. Now let's move on to the other tab, which is charge account payment report. So again, you can just go ahead and generate a report, or you can select a patient, or you can select a nursing home, and it would show you all the data like patient name, group name, billing mode, particulars, debit amount, credit amount, remark, transaction date. So this is how it shows you the report of charge account payment report. Okay, and also shows the total in the bottom. You can go and export it out as well. Now we have missing charge account payment report, where it would show you the missing payment of a patient from a particular date to a particular date. You can go ahead and also export it. It would show you the patient name and the address of that particular patient which are missing a charge account payment. Okay, then you have charge account payment patient listing, where you can check all the patients who are registered for charge account, or for those you have a charge account in ADVANCEDRX. So you can just filter it out whether you want charge account yes or no. You can filter the patient whether it is active or inactive, billing account active or inactive, patient type whether it's a retail or LTC. You can search accordingly and then select the, if it is an LTC, you can select the name of the LTC, and so on and so forth. You can also go and export it and view the data. And so you get patient name, address, contact name, pay address, description, group name, and all this information, and billing type. Then you have charge account payment history. So in charge account payment history, you can check the payment history of a particular patient. I'll just go and change the date so that you have an overview, and I'll select an older date. So this is how it would show you a patient history, history of list of charge account which has been paid. So you can just check. It would show you patient name, the contact name, billing address, the amount which is credited, the transaction date, and the remark. So whatever payment you have accepted, it would show you here, and you can export it into an Excel file. You can also use the pay mode, filter it out by a pay mode, whether it's a cash, check, credit card, or a bad debt. And then we have VFI history. In VFI history, you can generate a report of a VFI history from a particular date to a particular date. So VFI history, we don't really have any data in here, so I would not be going here and showing you what data, what report it pulls out. But generally it pulls out the VFI history of all the patients for that which you have generated a VFI report. Then you have charge account payment history report. So you can select a patient. Let's go and select this patient. You can also select search by group, generate a payment history, and it would show you all the payment history of this particular patient. I'm sorry. So you can see the contact name, address, phone description, whether it's a cash, new RX. Then you have amount created, amount debited, remarks, transaction rate, who created it, modified by, and modified date. You can also click on history and check the details. Okay, Then you have charge account overdue balance, wherein you can check the overdue balance of all the patients. It shows your patient name, amount paid current month, due last month, total overdue. Okay, you can also filter it out via type. You can search by patient, you can search by nursing home as well, and create a report. And in the bottom it shows you the total overdue balance. Okay, so in this video we covered charge account reports. In this we covered the history, the payment report, the missing payment report, patient listing, payment history, VFI history, payment history report, and payment overdue balance. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.